Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well at home. Today's Keep Winton Busy challenge is for you to create your own board game. So the first thing you need to do is decide on a style of game. This can be based on something that you've played in the past and enjoyed, such as Monopoly or Cluedo, or it could be an invention of your own. If you're struggling for ideas, please look at the link below. You've decided on a style, now you need to think of a theme for your board. This could be anything from books to films to movies to computer games to hobbies that you generally find interesting. This is going to be the thing that decorates your board. Great work, you've decided on your theme. Now it's time to identify your learning focus. This is going to be the thing that challenges players on what they know. I've gone for maths, bag and topic. You could go for all three, 1, 2, or alternatively, you could choose a different topic. If your board game is themed around the Romans, you may want to solely ask questions based on the Romans. It's completely up to you. It's almost time for you to start sketching your board game. You just need to decide on the main aim of your game. Are your players going to be rushing towards the finish line first, or are they going to be aiming to earn the most points? It is completely up to you to decide, and I suggest looking back to the original style of your game to help. In addition to this, you may want to add some obstacles along the way to keep your players interested. Excellent! Now it's finally time for you to start sketching your board game. Take your time and make sure you use lots of colour. Brilliant work on your board game. Now I'm going to begin to create the cards that go alongside my board game. Like I said earlier, I chose bag, topic and maths. I therefore need to create cards that are going to test the knowledge of my players. Make sure they're not too tricky, but also not too easy. If you're going to play with other older adults in your family or younger siblings, make sure you've got a variety of questions to ask them. Here's how you're going to do it. So there you have it, how to make your own board game. I'm looking forward to seeing all your creations, so please send them in.